Hey, what's up everybody? Want to do a quick review on these 2" by 1" labels. I was actually needing some labels for my inventory. I resell clothing, so this more than fit the bill, or these did, I should say. As I said, they are 2" by 1", which makes it perfect for like maybe putting them on poly bags like I do. Again, I'm using them as like an inventory type deal. So I peel these off. Obviously, I print them through my thermal printer. Peel these off, put them on a poly bag. It's got a number. I also use them on cardboard boxes. I've been really happy with them. I've had zero issues with them. They've got good adhesive on them. I'll show you here real quick. You can hear that. Got really good adhesive on them, so once you place them on something, it's hard to peel them off, which is a good thing, especially when you're using them to inventory and shipping and all that good stuff. So if you're looking maybe to get something new, or maybe you're just on the fence about getting these, I would highly suggest these.